my winners? And today we bring you this 2021 Infiniti Q60. Stylish. But if you got kids, it might not be the right one for you. But who the f cares? These cars usually come with like 300 horsepower, but if you get the S, top of the line, you get 400. A whole 100 horses more. That matters. If I were you guys, I'd spend a little more and get that 400 horsepower baby. Why? Because faster means better. This customer came here to us because he wants protection with his privacy. Of course, you know we always tell you guys that if you have a nice car, you guys should take a way better quality film than a standard, or maybe even a carbon. A carbon to get you by, but any one of the ceramics would do you guys justice, just because protection and the privacy matters. You guys are gonna get privacy with any film, but the protection, that's not any film. You guys want a good brand film to put on your car because you want some heat rejection and you want some UV ray protection. Have you guys ever seen the dash being all cracked on cars? The buttons and the letters fading? That's the sun. The UV rays and the infrared rays tearing apart your car. So take a better quality film so like that you guys get protection with your privacy. And this gentleman wants 20 all around, including this rear windshield. And to close it off, 35 on the front windshield, ceramic, the best stuff on the planet, because this gentleman wants to protect his vehicle. Without further ado, let's check it out before we tint it out.
Hey there, winners. On this episode song, we're gonna tell you how we start our day at the shop. Winning. We call the first appointment, confirming that they're coming in. And when they finally come in, and that's when they start winning. Hello, good morning, Kayla. This is the winning team. You have an appointment with us today. Oh, so sorry we couldn't make it today. Would you like to reschedule? I'm glad you do. Call appointments today. It's time to win away. That's our winning day. Could be yours too. Swipe, swipe, left to right. Swipe, swipe, tuck in tight. Swipe, swipe, up and down. Swipe, swipe, all around. Finish all the cars today. It's time to win away. Now that's our winning day. Hope you enjoyed your day. Start your day with a smile.
Guys, we just finished the 2021 Infiniti. It came out great. It got 20 all around, 35 on that front windshield, S7, ceramic, guys, the best stuff on the planet. This guy wanted protection with his privacy. But here at Winning Window Tints, we want you guys to care about your quality. Why? Because your car matters, guys. You want to keep that interior fresh. You want to be cooler in the summertime. You want less UV rays on your skin and infrared rays, so like that skin cancer isn't an issue in the future, guys. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell notification so like that you get notified every time we drop a video. Without further ado, check this bad boy indoors, and then we're gonna show you outdoors. Of course, you guys know indoors and outdoors look completely different. Check it out before we roll it out.
Call appointments today. It's time to win away. That's our winning day. Could be yours too. Swipe, swipe, left to right. Swipe, swipe, tuck in tight. Swipe, swipe, up and down. Swipe, swipe, all around. Finish all the cars today. It's time to win away. Now that's our winning day. Hope you enjoyed your day. Start your day with a smile, because everything is going to be alright.